I'm Daryl Stewart. I'm Chief Operating Officer. The rebuild work will mean more reliable power for the members. It means that the lights won't go out as much. When they do go out, it won't be for as long. So the rebuild should help with reliability for our members and continuity of service. So right now we got two major upgrades going on. We're rebuilding our 69 kV line. That's our transmission line that serves 2/3 of our members. And when the line goes out, it affects a lot of people.
The 69 kV transmission system rebuild is a very important project for us. We will be replacing the poles and the hardware from a system that's several years old. The new system will lead to improved reliability for the members. That leads to fewer blinks, fewer outages during weather events, and that's very important to deliver that consistent source of power to our members.
My name's Gary Hill. Been a life resident of Los Animas County and a life member of San Isabel. San Isabel and electricity is a big thing in all our lives, and anymore we can't hardly live without it. But there was a time when it wasn't the most reliable, and we were getting to where we sorely needed some maintenance and stuff. And I believe the last few years I've seen a lot of maintenance and upgrades or modernization, if you want to take it that way. We have had a few outages the last few years, but those were major storms. The reliability is so much better than it was. And I guess I'd like to take this opportunity to thank San Isabel, the board, and for Mr. Rudolph and what they're trying to do, and the modernization that's taken place. As I say, we all depend on electricity. It's without it anymore, it's about impossible to live, seems.
Fewer outages lead to not having to send linemen out in the middle of the night during outages, during lightning storms, snowstorms, windstorms, which we all know are a factor of our daily lives in southern Colorado. When the power is on, that keeps our crews at home, keeps them safe. That's also a cost-saving measure, so we're investing for the long term of our system and also providing a more reliable service for our members.